come to a cooking class in Hanoi, Vietnam with me. Y'all, this setup was so cute. Like, as soon as we walked in, they had the table set up all nice and lovely. They had little aprons for us. Look at our little cutting boards. Look at our little cutting boards. They literally looked like they were just carved from a tree. Like, it was just, the setup was everything. Please don't ask me what the name of this tea was, but it was so delicious. I'm pretty sure I had like 4 cups while I was there. But yeah, we love this little area. It was super cute. And y'all, this was a cooking class, so we were really putting in the work. So I mean, of course there was going to be a lot of chopping and all of that, which for the record, I kind of hate chopping things, but with this, I was all good with it. So we were actually making bún chả, which is a very traditional Vietnamese food, and it's so good, y'all. Like, it is delicious. And then we're also making a salad to go with it, which is where you see all of these fruits and vegetables. You see me asking all the questions because I'm like, listen, I don't want to be the one to mess this dish up. But sis was nice. She was friendly. She was laughing. Like, she was a great chef. I saw her doing this and I was like, oh yeah, bet I can do that. This one, I was like, I'm not even going to try. This one is not for me. But I was like, I'm going to try my hand at this scrapey thing. My husband was trying to help me out, but it didn't quite go like I thought it would. So she came back over there and she was like, no, let me show you. We go help you figure this out. And I was like, okay, bet. I got it this time. Look at me talking about, oh, okay, yeah. No, y'all, it didn't get much better. So basically what ended up happening was I gave it to my husband, and look at him doing a phenomenal job. So yeah, anyways, she was of course helping out the chef. So she was putting some finishing touches on the salad. I had never had a salad like this before. It looked very different at the end. That's what it looked like. We ate it with these chips. And yeah, my husband, per the usual, making sure that he is getting all of it. But it had this like sweet, spicy taste. So we were also making homemade spring rolls, y'all. I almost said egg rolls, good God. So there was more chopping. But it's all good because I'm having a good time. And it's just real cute in here. So my husband is stirring things up in here. Mind y'all, this is a thing that we did with the remote year. So remote year is a group travel. I have some videos about them on my page. So here she taught us how to roll the spring rolls. I wasn't super great at that, but my husband was. So yeah, I let him roll a lot more than me. It is what it is. Know your strengths. Y'all see me getting help. Don't judge me. Do not judge me. Look at them. They look great. They look great in the end. So we started moving on to the meat because we needed to break apart pieces. So with bún chả, you're going to have some meat that you're going to dip into a sauce. So we were doing meatballs and we were also doing pork. We made the sauce, y'all. This was just, I'm telling y'all, the food in Vietnam is untouched. It is just so incredibly tasty and fresh. And like doing this cooking class, getting the behind the scenes, like I completely understand why. Like it's just, Vietnamese food is some of the best food I've had in my entire life. So anyway, the meat is rolled, the meatballs are rolled, and the pork is all seasoned and all of that. So now we are going outside so we can get things on the grill. And so we can get these egg rolls in the fryer. So, you know, she was a really, really good teacher. You know, she was talking to us about how to know when to put them in, what to look for. And then she has the meat out here on the grill. The meat took a little bit longer than I expected, but it was still cool. Obviously, it was really nice to have her there because she knew exactly what she was doing. I'm not gonna lie, this is the point where I was just kind of like, you know what, I don't need to do this. But look at the men stepping up to grill. Look at the men out here deciding to help. Now, how they did, I'm not saying they did badly. I'm saying they did but homegirl definitely had to come back over there and help us out. But it's all good. So anyway, we're still cooking the egg rolls. We got the meat going. She was so nice to give me a sample of the meat. She was like, try it. I was like, delicious. So here is the table. You see, we still have some salad left. I don't know what this alcohol was, but it was pretty good. It wasn't like super strong, which is good because I can't handle the strong stuff. But anyway, they gave us some of that for free, included with the class. And then, like I said, there was more of the salad. And then the chef was basically down here. Oh, hold on, y'all. My husband, I had to get that one because him rubbing his hands together had me cracking up. Look how good the egg rolls look. So then she is filling up our bowls for the bún chả. And yeah, we had a lovely, lovely meal. It was so delicious. Let me know if you want me to send you the name of the place and grab out for your travel guide if you want to travel and don't know where to start.